This is the set of 12 stainless steel snack containers. You can see that they are dishwasher safe, reusable. They have silicone lids, which I love. It's food grade silicone and it's made out of stainless steel. They are super duper cute. They come packaged really nicely. You can see you've got all of these different lids in all different colors, which is great if you have multiple children, so that everybody knows which snack is theirs. You have these in 2 different sizes. You get them in 6 ounces and 2 ounces. They're all like these little square snack containers. The little ones are super duper cute. They're very small, so they're perfect for like condiments and little snacks for your kids' lunches. And then again, you have all of your lids. I love how these are made. You can see that the kind of lip is rounded and very smooth. It's made really nicely. It is a really solid metal, so it's on the thicker side, which I also appreciate. The quality of these is really, really nice. You can see this is the 6 ounce option. Here's my finger, gives you an idea of how deep it is, how wide it is. It is a really good size for a snack and maybe a condiment if you wanted to do that in your child's lunches, or if you want to pre-pack snacks for the day. They both come with all of these different colors and lids. So you can see this is the 2 ounces with all the different lids. It has this cute little textured design on it, and then it's easy to clean on the inside. Same with the large 6 ounce lids, same colors. Same thing, you have a nice little design on the top. The inside is very easy to clean. And then these just pop on. The lids really do stay on nicely. You can see even with a little bit of like playing with it, it stays on nicely. When I go to push this on here, I can feel that the air is really trapped on the inside. So they do seal very nice. They peel off very nicely, which you can see they really do stick on there. There is kind of like a little double lid, so your little your stainless steel snack cup will actually go in between these two, and it really does pop on nicely and gives it a nice leak-proof seal. I've gone ahead and added a little bit of water to this one to see how leak-proof it is. So let's go ahead and put the lid on. And let's go ahead and give it a test. You can see that nothing is coming out. You can hear the water on the inside. So I would definitely say that these pass the leak-proof test. I am really excited about these. I'm very happy with them. The quality is very nice. I love that they're in different colors so that each child knows kind of whose is whose for the day. Overall, if it's a product you're considering, this is something that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my review. So hopefully my honest, unbiased opinion has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But I know as a busy stay-at-home mom of 4, I'm really going to enjoy these, and they're going to bring us a lot of use over the next few years.